Ever dreamt of earning extra cash but felt like you didn't have the skills? Don't worry, getting started is easier than you think. Think about things you already do. Love scrolling through TikTok? You could be a social media assistant, helping small businesses manage their online presence. Or maybe you're great at spotting typos. Freelance proofreading or transcription services are in high demand, and you can learn the ropes quickly with free online resources. For those who love to organize or have a knack for helping others, consider virtual assisting for busy entrepreneurs, or even becoming a pet sitter through apps like Rover. If you're more hands-on, think about offering local services like lawn care, car detailing, or even helping seniors with errands. The key is to leverage your existing interests and a willingness to learn, not years of experience. The best part? Many of these side hustles allow you to set your own hours and work from home, giving you the flexibility to build your income gradually. So, stop waiting for the perfect opportunity and start exploring what you can do today. Your future self will thank you.